Discover a pre-built website template designed for cleaning service businesses. This professional, polished platform reflects efficiency, trust, and attention to detail. The homepage features a sleek, modern design that communicates a professional cleaning service. Easy navigation guides users to explore services, review pricing, or book appointments. The layout creates a seamless experience, making it simple for clients to connect with your business. The template is responsive, looking great on devices, desktop, tablet, or mobile. Dedicated sections for services, pricing, and testimonials make updates quick and easy. Whether you specialize in residential, commercial, or deep cleaning, the template adapts to your needs. The services section details your offerings, from routine cleanings to specialized packages, with realistic examples ready for your content. Client satisfaction shines in the stories and testimonials section, where feedback builds credibility. Every design choice, from the clean layout to professional typography, reinforces reliability and quality. This customizable template is easy to set up and ready to help you attract new clients and grow your business. Transform your online presence today with this beautifully designed website template. Let your cleaning service shine and welcome clients to a space where cleanliness and professionalism meet.